Today I'm going to show you step by step how to download digital downloads from Etsy. And I received lots of messages from people that have bought in my printables or budget spreadsheets that they received their receipt that they bought it, but they can't download it. So I'm going to show you 2 ways how to download it on desktop and then 1 way how to download it on your mobile phone as well. So it's step by step how to do that in Etsy. The first way is after you make your purchase, you're going to be directed to this page here where it says, "Thank you for your order, Kelly." Then on the right here, you can see the View Downloads button. After you hit that button, it's going to bring you to this screen and you can see your card information, which is blocked out for me for privacy, the order total, all of that. Then you're going to hit this button, View Downloads. It told me to hang tight and that it'll be ready in a few minutes, but immediately it was ready for me. So I hit View Downloads, then it brings you to this screen and you'll hit the download button over here to the right. If you purchase more than one, they will all be listed down below here. Then after you hit this button, it's going to go to your downloads folder on your computer. So you want to access that. Sometimes it goes to the bottom. Typically it goes to the bottom of the page. You'll see it on the very bottom of the web browser. Then when you click it, you will have your download and you can download it right from here. This is your PDF file. Okay, and then here is the other way to access it. You're going to go to this upper right hand corner to your account. Then you can see purchases and reviews. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you can see your purchases. So here I have the printable. I have an old handkerchief from when I got married, but here is the printable, the money saving challenges. This is actually my most popular item, is a 30-day challenge to save $1,000. Then you go download files. Then it's going to bring you to that same screen here where then you can hit the download button. And then if you see here all the way down at the bottom, the $1,000 in 30 days PDF, hit that. And then over here on the right, here's the screen. There's actually 2 different options for this one, a black and white and then a teal color. And then I'm going to hit the download folder and then it's going to download it right to my computer. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to do it on your phone. We're going to go to Etsy.com, so not in the app, but actual website of Etsy. In the top right, you're going to hit the profile icon and go to view your profile. It's going to pop up to open the app. You don't want to do that. So you're going to hit the X, then you're going to go to your order and you're going to scroll down a little bit and you'll see a black box that says download files. Here is the how to save money in 30 days printable. Then we're going to hit download files. And then there you can see the PDF and it's going to bring it up and you can save it right there onto your phone. And again, this is how you save the files from Etsy right on your phone. Also check out the description. I have a link to this free ebook that's going to help you sell products on Etsy. It's going to explain why seasonal printables are the best on Etsy, give you all of the seasonal products that sell, and tools that are going to help you pick the best products. It is a very in-depth ebook, 23 pages, so many amazing ideas that's really going to help you step up your game with selling printables on Etsy. Even if you don't want to sell seasonal products, it's still really, really helpful in helping you to figure out how to market your products, how to find keywords, how to find tags, how to rank in search. It is so helpful and a really, really great ebook. So it'll be linked down below in the description, completely free.